Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a profanity filter to your Streamlabs donations. First, go to streamlabs.com and open your dashboard. On the left side panel, look for the Earn and Grow section. Under that, click on Tipping to open your My Tips page. Below My Tips, you'll see 4 tabs. You'll start on Tip Methods. Click the last tab, Tip Settings. You should now see the Profanity Settings section. Next to Profanity Filter, you'll see a field that shows your current setting. Click on it to view the available options. Even though it doesn't look like a dropdown, it will expand to show the list. There are 5 modes to choose from. Disable turns the filter off completely. Replace bad words with asterisk censors them with stars. Replace bad words with happy words swaps them with light-hearted alternatives. Hide messages containing bad words prevents the message from showing at all, and disable alerts containing bad words blocks the donation alert entirely. You'll also see 3 checkbox options. Use standard bad word list, this is on by default, and anonymized names containing bad words, as well as apply profanity filter on recent events, but this is optional. Below that, you'll find custom bad words and a text box. Here, you can enter specific words you want to block, including your real name if you want to prevent doxing. Type the word in the box and then click blacklist. It'll appear just below. If you want to remove it later, click the X next to the word. Wildcards are also supported. To learn more about that, click the Learn More link beside the blocklist button. Once you're done, click the Save at the bottom. A pop-up will appear on the top right to confirm your settings were saved.